Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, leather seats, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.